Hello, this is CGDI Official. This one is T5 fixture from Godzilla key cutting machines. It's amazing that one T5 fixture possesses all the functions of T1 and T2 fixtures. So it will replace with both of them. I'm going to show you how to grease on key parts to extend its service life. Okay, let's begin. First, we should turn this knob to disassemble the T5 fixture. Second, you can apply lubricating grease to the central shaft. 2 cylindricals and the groove and 2 holes of the clamping seat. After greasing, let's assemble it step by step. Insert spring into the center shaft. Install the support seat on the center shaft. Place another spring into the support seat hole. Assemble the clamping seat onto the center shaft. Then pedestal. Put the bearing into the knob and tighten it. Okay, perfect.